Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on the OPPO Find X3 Pro. So in the first step we have to open the Google Photos app. Now just look for the photo that you want to search in the Google. Like this one for example. Now click on the Google Lens icon, hold press start automatically, and we are looking for similar or the same image in the Google Picture database. You can also change the searching area by swiping the edges to look for something more specific. And this way works. Thanks for the watching, give us a like or a comment, and goodbye.